Jiangsu Kingshine Plastic Machine Company Limited. SPC Flooring One-Step Compounding Extrusion Online Molding Production Line. Process flow of SPC flooring production line. Firstly, the raw materials required for the production of SPC floor are added into the hopper through automatic formula weighing machine or semi-automatic weighing according to a certain formula proportion. The material is conveyed to the hopper of the mixer by positive pressure or negative pressure. The butterfly valve is controlled by the mixing control system to put the materials into the high-speed mixing pot for heating and mixing. After the high-speed mixing pot mixes the materials to 120 degrees, start the automatic discharge valve to put materials into cold mixing pot and cool them to below 65 degrees. Discharge the cooled materials into the hopper and transport the materials to the storage tank through the screw feeder. Then, the materials are sent to the hopper of the extrusion feeder through the screw feeder at the lower part of the storage tank. And the height of the materials in the hopper is automatically controlled through the anti-rotation level meter in the hopper, with a low-level alarm function. The materials are transported to the conical twin-screw extruder through the metering twin-screw feeder. The materials are successively transported to the preheating conveying section in Zone 1, the mixing section in Zone 2, and the plasticizing section in Zone 3 through the special high-wear-resistant screw in the barrel. After that, the materials change from powder to block, and then the water vapor and volatiles, affecting the stability of the products in the materials, are pumped into the special self-circulation vacuum cleaning system through negative pressure vacuum. Then through the screw, continue plasticizing, conveying, pressure building and extruding from confluence core to the mold. The machine barrel is equipped with heating and shield anti-scattering device, and then materials evenly disperse to the die through the closest hanger die channel, and extrude the SPC floor plate through the die molding. The extruded SPC floor base material successively enters the 5-roller calendar, the first and second roller to fixed thickness, the third roller for film laminating, the fourth roller is silicone rubber roller for back, and fifth roller for front embossing. The first and second fixed thickness roller and third film laminating roller are heated by heat transfer oil. The oil guide pipe and rotary joint are equipped with anti-scalding protection device. The fourth silicone rubber roller and fifth embossing roller are cooled by water. The color film and wear-resistant layer are placed on the platform above the calendar. Protective railings and anti-fouling object baffles are set around the platform. The speed and strength of film release are controlled by 2 sets of automatic constant tension system. To make the tension received by the color film and wear-resistant layer can be stable and consistent in the process of roll changing from large to small. The color film is controlled by the servo-automatic deviation rectifying system to make the color film position be stable and consistent, so that the color film is always released in a fixed position. Then, the color film and wear-resistant layer are respectively laminated on the SPC floor plate through the guide roller, unfolding aluminum roller, and high-temperature silicone rubber roller through third laminating roller with a diameter of 600 mm. The SPC floor laminated with a film is heated again by the carbon fiber heating and insulation device to plasticize the wear-resistant layer, and then enters fourth and fifth rollers to make surface embossing. The embossing roller adopts a cold pressing method to make the texture not rebound, show a stronger sense of hierarchy and have a more realistic effect, and is high efficiency and more simple and convenient to change roller. After the embossed SPC floor comes out from the embossing roller, it enters the cooling bracket and is adjusted to the required size through the special trimming tool holder's device. The plate is naturally cooled by the cooling bracket and then force-cooled by the negative pressure fans. It enters a frequency conversion and speed regulation direct connect double rubber roller tractor. And then the plate is sent to the servo shearing machine. The sheet is accurately cut to the required length through the photoelectric induction switch of the servo shearing machine. We'll transport the cut SPC floor to the transfer stacker and stack the plates neatly on the pelt.